Today we're going to be opening Disney Crossy Road. Let's get to it. Let's see what's in here.
Who's that?
First we got this. Is this Simba?
Yep, that's Simba.
Wait. Oh, that's probably one of the characters in there.
Yeah, one of the Disney Crossy Road characters.
Crossy Road is a game where you try and cross a road as a chicken or something, and the car and you have to try and not get run over.
Yeah, and this is a Disney version.
Yes. So this.
There's some toys
Oh,
and characters from the
box.
Disney version. What's that one?
This one is full of, includes mystery figurine, Woody, Simba again, and Goofy.
So hold that for me. So that's the 4-pack characters with one mystery character in it.
Classic, rare, epic, secret, legendary, limited edition.
Wow.
Wait, I'm gonna try to find a green. Oh, Ham is rare.
Ah.
Ham is a legendary.
Mhm. What about Woody? Can you see Woody on there?
Either classic.
It's a classic.
Have we
So
got
who have we got?
anyone?
And
So-
Goofy.
Goofy, is he rare? No, classic.
What about Simba?
Wait. Simba's classic.
Right, so they've all got like different statuses, haven't they? So we don't know who's the mystery figure.
Should we open
Could be epic. No, show me what else is in the box.
Okay. We got this.
What's that say on it?
Mystery minifigure and guide.
So that's a little blind pack, isn't it?
Let's open it.
So it's series 1.
So this was inside of a plastic like thing.
Yep, plastic wrap.
Plastic wrapper.
Can you get the box
Just
open?
open it.
See what's
Okay.
inside. And this is the
There's
series 1.
another.
So that tells you all the different characters. There's
I really,
40
really-
to collect in
I
series
really
1.
hope you don't get Woody or someone like that again.
Yeah, hope you don't get your doubles. Open it up, see who's inside.
I can feel lots of things in it.
Can you do it? Do you need some help?
Oh,
Oh, well done.
oh, who is
So who
this?
have you got? Who have you got? Oh my goodness, that one looks cool. Who is it? Turn it around.
Oh yeah. Wait, let's look on this.
It's Zorg.
Let's see if Zorg is. Zorg is rare.
Yeah, so with that you've got a rare one to go with your 3 classics
And a mystery.
and your mystery, and there's the 40 that you can collect. So we're going to have some fun with these, right?
Yeah. They also come with this so that you can not go like. Okay,
So they stand so you can display them.
so you can. Okay, let's open the other one. Why is this one harder to open than the other one?
I don't know, make sure you open the right
Yeah,
side.
yes.
Well done, there we go.
Okay.
So it's another collector's list, isn't it? So you can mark off which ones you've got and see if you can collect
Wait.
all 40 in series
Black
1.
is secret and Jesse is secret.
Okay, let's see what you've got then.
Jesse's
Let's see who you've
black.
got.
Let's see, I hope we get like a legendary. No, limited edition, that's one.
Well, let's see.
Whoa!
I'm going to tear the bag open.
Why is it so stretchy?
That's it, get your fingers in. Nearly there. Nearly there. Well done.
And I got a bit off.
You can get in now, you've made a hole in it, right? Who have you got? Who have you got? Who is it? Another.
That's the face.
But still, let's just hope our mystery figurine in the 4-pack isn't.
Okay, let's open it.
We can open that now. Okay.
Okay, let's open this now. Get that. There you go, that's all I needed from her. I'm just gonna
This is
get
some
it out
serious
right
unboxing. Can you manage? That's it. Okay, we got them. And who's the mystery one? Let me see who we've got.
Okay, let's go. Trying to stand the wood because he has a really
So we've got Woody,
skinny feet.
Goofy, and Simba. Who's in the mystery pack, Fred? Another one of these blue bags to contend with. Oh, that one went a bit easier. Who's it?
It's Jessie! You just got a secret!
We've got Jessie!
Now look. Black
She
means
is.
secret. Black means secret. Black means secret.
That is amazing. So is that really cool? Does that make up for getting 2 Zorgs?
Yeah!
So you'll be able to do lots of reenacting Disney Crossy Road with these guys. You're going to stand them up for me so we can have a look at them?
Woody.
Yeah, stand them up. Okay.
Secret ones. Okay.
Okay. Awesome.
This one's easy.
Yeah, Simba's
This
nice and
one's
easy.
easy.
So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6
What do they call
little
them? Figurines.
because that's another word for like little collectible figurines. And then don't forget, who have we got there? We got the plush Simba toy. So did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Okay then.
Ah.